If you want clients to understand your logo concepts clearly, give better feedback, and feel more confident signing off your work, your logo presentations need the correct structure. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3 sections every logo presentation should include. But make sure to stick around to the end because I've got a free logo presentation template you can download. Hi, I'm Kwaku Prako, brand identity designer and founder of Akrivi. I've spent almost 10 years designing logos and brand identities for clients. And I've learned that when presenting a logo, it isn't just about showing it. It's about guiding the client through the thinking, direction, and the real-world application of the identity. So let's go through the sections I include, starting with the first one, strategic foundation. This is where you remind the client what problem you're solving before showing any design work. A lot of designers jump straight into logo concepts, but that is usually the wrong mistake. Instead, start by recapping the strategy for the brand, such as the goals, brand attributes, and brand personality. Doing this shifts the conversation away from personal preference and back towards the actual objective of the project. Instead of asking, do I like this logo? The client starts asking, does this logo achieve what we set out to achieve? And that's a much better conversation to have. The second section is visual identity. This is where you turn your strategy into visuals. Each concept may take a different direction, but it should still come from the same strategic foundation. This is where you present each logo concept individually. Before revealing the logo, briefly explain the idea behind each concept. A simple logo equation page can really work well here. This helps your client understand the meaning of the logo. And after, you can show the full logo along with its typography and full colors used. The third section is application. This is where you help the client visualize the logo in the real world. Now it's time to show them how the identity comes to life. You can show the logo on multiple touch points relevant to the business. You want them to feel that their logo is already alive and working in the real world. And when clients can see the logo in full context, they become much more confident in the direction. A logo presentation is not just about showing the logo. It's about helping the client understand the strategy, the thinking, and how the logo can work in the real world. So if you're anything like me, you've probably spent hours working on a logo. And then remember that the presentation is a whole task itself. That's why I created a free logo presentation template you can use in Adobe Illustrator. It gives you a professional structure so you don't have to build it from scratch. Using this will save you so much time. You can download it for free. The link is in the description. And if you found this video useful, let me know in the comments below.